Say hi, love. See, I'm sitting in my toy box.
You not realizing spandex or Caesar?
Are you sitting in your toy box? You know I'm recording this and you're just talking, so shush. Are you sitting in your toy box, love? Hi, beautiful. You're so gorgeous. Can you say hi? Sitting in it. Say hi, love. Say hi. Hi. Can you smile for Mom? Can you do a big smile?
Before she starts getting mad.
Playing outside in the sunshine in the back of Daddy's truck. Taylor Page, are you playing in the sunshine? Can you play your drums? Nice pretty blue day. Very pretty outside today. Where you going, love? Dad, what are you doing? Oh, found Mama phone. It's the best toy in the world. I can't hear over yours though.
She's only doing it facing me. Hey, Jayla. Jayla Page.
She knows you got that thing over there, I'm telling you. He's a little turd. Every time she does it, you're doing it too. I'm afraid you won't be able to hear it.
Well, I'm trying to get her to do it.
Hello. He's cruising the couch.
You're such a pretty girl. Come here. I love you. You're so beautiful. So I know, Dada.
Can you blow kisses? Blow kisses just for Mimi. Say, I love you. Say, I love you. What's going on? You want some help? Want some help? You gonna walk over? What are you doing? What do you find, baby? Oh, Daddy, she gonna open that thing up and spill seeds everywhere.
Leopards are vicious. In close quarters, they have talons on all of their paws that can just shred you, and their teeth are incredible. He's very lucky to have survived.
Our beautiful little girl getting into stuff. My beautiful little girl getting into stuff.
Television news team covers the action
Ooh, bless you. Say hi, I'm coming. I'm coming, I'm going to do the work. You want it? Ooh, my go, baby. Go. Just say hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hello? Say, I miss you. Say, I miss you. You go play. What are you doing, love? You're playing with Mama. She's my jungle gym.
Just in case. One day it saved his life. A customer approaches with a bottle of wine. When Mansour asks for ID, the customer's partner pulls out a gun. The crook shoots
You
first,
talking?
and Mansour
You talking?
nose 38. Mansour fires from cover, while the crook shoots right. The criminals run, never hitting Mansour with a single shot.
Next one here. Go behind me.
Go show off how you climb the TV.
Rounds while firing 5 himself. Camden County, Georgia. Sheriff's vehicles pursue a two-bit car thief in a white Monte Carlo. But this case will rewrite the book on high-speed pursuit.
There you go. Go, Jayla. Go, Jayla. Go, Jayla. Yay. Go, Jayla.
Oh, see, Mama's got a camera.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there she goes. That's a girl. Woo! Mug for the camera. Oh, look at you.
Hey there, gorgeous. Are you playing? Are you playing in the sunshine? What do you think about that grass, huh?
What are you doing?